Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the spring FabFitFun box. I'm really excited because the colors are really great. Before we open that, I also bought 3 other things. I'm pretty excited. This one is the Skin Owl Eye Cream. So it smells like pickles, which is really great, but might be weird on my eyes. I also got this green apple peel. I'm hoping it peels a whole layer off my face and gives me a new face. That'd be pretty cool. I also got these lip and nail sets. Honestly, I forgot what color they are, so I hope they don't look bad. Let's unbox. Wow, again, so many things. This time, I'll show you. First, we have a daily detox massaging brush. Detox, hopefully that makes my hangovers go away, but probably not. Next, Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I have no idea what this is, but you know what? I'm excited. It's really pretty and it's shiny. Next, this is, I can't read this because I just learned how to read a year ago, but I think it's pronounced Oi? Who knows? Anyway, it's leave-in conditioner, which is great because my hair has been so dry, it's like the Sahara on my head. Oh my God. Next, we have jewelry in the box. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it and then have a rash on my neck for 3 to 4 days because I'm super allergic to most metals. Next, we have this really awesome champagne charcoal scrub. I think it's gonna be best if you drink champagne while you use it, but I'll let you know after I try it. Oh, this looks great. It's the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage for your under eyes. Well, joke's on you, Dr. Brandt. I'll always have baggage. And, wow, what's this black bag that has something in it? Oh, wow, this is pretty cool. These are some nice sunglasses. Everyone should wear sunglasses, otherwise you can go blind. And last but not least, how are you supposed to carry all your new stuff around? Problem solved. Thanks, FabFitFun. A cute backpack. I've wanted one of these since I was 2 days ago. So this is pretty exciting for me. This is a great box. I can't wait to see what's in the next box because I'm super impatient. See you guys in the summer.